Hey there, welcome back to another exciting tutorial on Photoshop, and today we are going to talking about a super cool feature that can make your editing process so much better. And no, I am not talking about the coffee. I am talking about layer mask, the unsung hero of the Photoshop. Hey wait, layer mask? You mean like a face mask or what? Huh, not exactly, but just like a face mask that can cover certain parts of your face, a layer mask can hide or reveal certain parts of your image. Okay, I think I get it. But why do we need layer mask? Well, let's say you have an image which you want to edit. Okay, you could use the eraser tool to delete certain parts of your image, but that's the destructive editing. Once you erase something, it's gone for good. Correct. But with layer mask, you can hide parts of an image without deleting it. And if you make any mistake, you can easily undo it. Got that now. So can you give me the example for layer mask? Absolutely. Let's say that you have this amazing image, and in this image you have to remove the background from the silhouette, and instead of erasing it with eraser, which would be permanent, you can just add the layer mask, take the brush and select black color to the foreground color and just paint over the background which you want to remove. Okay, wow, that's pretty cool here. But what if I want to bring back the background? Easy with it. Just interchange the foreground color to white from here, or just click X as we discussed before. And after taking white as a foreground color, you have to just paint on the area whichever you want to bring it back. Okay, like this. Okay, I think I am starting to get the hang of it. But what is the main difference between the eraser tool and the layer mask? Well, as I mentioned earlier, the eraser tool is destructive editing. Okay, once you erase something, it's gone for good, correct? And with layer mask, you are just hiding the parts of an image which is non-destructive, and this means you can always go back and make the changes later, like this. Got it. So how do I add a layer mask to my image? It's easy. You have to just click on the layer which you want to add the layer mask and just click the add layer mask button, which is located on the bottom of the layers panel here. And after that you will get the white layer mask is added on the layer panel, whichever layer is selected. Okay, then you can use brush to paint on the layer mask. Just select the layer mask. Why I'm saying that, if we select the layer here, it will paint directly on the layer, and it is again destructive editing. Okay, so you have to just select the layer mask which we added and just paint on the image with the black color selected here. Okay, and if you want to bring it back the area, just interchange the foreground color to the white color and just paint it again. Okay, it's easy. Okay, that sounds pretty straightforward. But what if I mess up and I want to start over again? No worries, my friend. If you want to start with a new clean slate, you have to just select the layer mask, just hit delete button on the keyboard. It will delete the layer mask, or just hit this trash can which is located on the bottom of the layers panel. Okay, and don't apply it. If we apply it, it will convert to the destructive editing. You can see the layer mask is deleted, but the editing we done in the layer mask is applied on the layer. Okay, you can see here, and you have to just hit the trash can and just select delete. It will simply delete the layer mask. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, we are discussing about the removing background. Okay, so here is the quick trick to remove the background. Just go to quick selection tool or any other selection tool, select the layer and just hit here select subject. After hitting here, the Photoshop select the subject automatically and just refine the selection. In whichever area the selection is not perfect, just perfect the selection like this. Okay, and after doing this, just hit layer mask button, and here we go, the background is removed completely, and here we have our subject removed with the background. Okay, this one is really good here. I hope you have understood now what is the layer mask, correct? That's a relief now. I don't want to mess up my image here. Thanks for that. That's the beauty of layer mask. They are safe and non-destructive way to edit your images. Plus, they give you more control to your edits. Correct. So that's it, guys. Here is the unsung hero of the Photoshop, which is layer mask. I hope you have understood the video or the topic we have discussed today or we have talked about today, the layer mask. If you have any doubts, please comment down below which doubts we have to clear and suggest me topics on which we can make the videos in detail. I want to say one thing: like, share, subscribe and share this video or share this playlist Photoshop Magic with your friends, and wait till next week for our next episode. And till then, bye bye.